Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Hide Repost on TikTok. Let's dive right in. While there is not a direct way to hide reposts on TikTok, you can make your account private to control who sees them. Here's how. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. So, when you tap on the three horizontal lines, a menu will appear. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy option. On the next page, tap on the Privacy option. Here, you'll see the option, Private Account. Toggle the switch to the on position. Keep in mind, your existing followers won't be affected by this change. You'll need to approve new followers before they can see your content. By following these steps, you can hide your repost on TikTok. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.